So good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Okay. After a long time, we are meeting each other. And how is your practice going on? And how is your channel going on?
Yeah, if I talk about practice, recently I have resumed my practice. I have not been consistent since last year, but I have resumed now. And if I talk about my YouTube channel, I'm not uploading videos on my YouTube channel since 1 year.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed that after closing the Skype application, many learners who are learning the language and who have been running their YouTube channel for a long time, they are not uploading the video every single day. They are not making this kind of video every single day. But what is the reason? I don't know. Maybe there is no option for recording in the Microsoft Teams. Maybe.
No, there are lots of options like nowadays Zoom app and
Yeah.
GeoMeet also there. So
Yeah,
we can also
you
record.
know. Yeah, you know very well, I know very well, but maybe they don't know. That's why they are not using this kind of application.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Earlier I was also not aware, so Alka ma'am informed me about these groups because I was discontinued. So after Team app, after Skype app, I went to Team and then suddenly I discontinued because of some personal problem and then when I came back, so I saw nobody was there. So
Yes,
then
you're
I
right.
connected with Alka ma'am and asked her about every learners and how they are connecting, how they are recording the videos and uploading the videos. Then she told me and she joined me in the, she get me joined in group.
Yeah, Olka ma'am is right now, he is making this kind of video every single day, as well as also I observed that they are using the WhatsApp group. Every single day they are discussing the group. Yeah.
Yes, and what about you? Are you consistent learner?
Yeah, I make this kind of video. I try to make this kind of video every single day, but I don't get the person. Yeah, when I drop the message to any group, yeah, who is free for making this kind of video, but they are not interested. That's why also I don't make this kind of video every single day.
Okay, so you are uploading on alternate days.
Yes, nowadays I upload the video after 2 days or 3 days.
Okay, so what's the reason behind not upload, not making videos? The learner are not interested to make the video with you.
Yes, I many learners they are ready for making the audio call, but they are not ready for the video conversation.
Okay, so what about your YouTube channel? Is it going on well or not?
Yeah, my channel is going on very well, but uh, not that before. Before after closing the site application, I observed that there is a less viewer in my channel.
Okay,
All right, ma'am. First of all, please say something about you.
I'm not getting you. Now your voice is very
Yes.
low.
Okay. Right now, first of all, please say something about yourself.
Okay, what I have to say myself? So, do you mean to introduce myself for your YouTube
Yes, yes,
channel?
I know. Yeah, I know very well, but for my viewers.
Okay, so you know me, but your viewers don't know me. So you want me to give my introduction so that your learner can know me as well
Yes,
through
yes.
your channel. Okay. So my name is Mamta Yadav. I am from Haryana and I am also learner of like your viewers. So nowadays I am policing my language because of sudden discontinued. So that's all about myself.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. The summer season is going on. It is in my locality. It is too hot. Yeah, it is. And how is the weather over there in your state?
Weather, it is boiling
Weather?
heat. It is boiling heat in Haryana, and everything
Oh,
is
yeah.
boiling.
Okay.
Extremely
And
hot.
do you like
No,
summer
nobody
season?
likes extreme hot.
I am asking to you, and if I give two season, I mean summer season or winter season, and what is the better season according to you?
Okay, which one is best according to me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I like medium, moderate weather, in which there is no much winter, and means I like medium weather. Like if I talk about October and November months, it's normal, not much cold and not hot. How can we use neither more cold nor uh, much hot? This is the normal weather. I like that. And
Okay.
if I talk about Feb, Feb also good. Feb month also good. I like Feb month, in which also weather is also favorable. But
Yes,
June
yes.
and July
And
I don't like, because we have to
okay,
face
okay.
lots of challenges because of uh, boiling heat.
Yes, you are right. But I like the winter season. I like the summer season. I don't like the winter season because in the summer season maybe it is too hot. Maybe it is too hot, and I have to bear so many things. But in the winter season, the daytime is very long. Yeah, I can do so many things. And wearing a t-shirt, I can move here and there in the summer season. But in the winter season, the daytime is very short. Yeah, and on the other hand, in the winter season, I have to wear so many things: cap, sweater, jacket. Yeah, so many things I have to wear. That's why I like the summer season.
Yes, whatever you have said, everything is very true. I also feel these things. In winter season, I have to put on lots of jackets, and we have to put on lots of clothes to keep ourselves warm.
Yes,
But in summer season, we don't have to wear lots of clothes, and we wear only cotton clothes and single clothes, and this is also good. But in no, October and November we can also wear our clothes according to our choice. In that these months we don't have to put lots of cloth, because in
yes,
the weather is quite normal in these both months.
yes, yes. You are right. And ma'am, I'd like to ask one question to you. You have been learning this language for a long time, and nowadays, what kind of method do you follow for improving your English skill?
Please repeat your question.
I am asking you nowadays, what kind of method do you follow for improving your English skill?
Okay, as I told you, I have resumed day before yesterday my journey again. So nowadays I am watching lots of videos. I am consuming lots of conversations, not conversations videos, uh, like English drama, English animated videos, and English movie. These types of
Okay.
stuff I am consuming. I don't know. I do not. I don't know why I am not liking the conversation videos. I think I have become little bit. I have upgraded myself, I think. So I'm not
Okay. Okay.
liking the conversation video. I don't know why, but I am liking the dramas and animated videos, and in which we can get sentence structures, vocabularies, and phrases and their meaning as well, and idioms
Yes,
and
yes,
lots
you
of
are right.
things. Means I am watching basic things, not advanced level, but I am watching slowly, slowly, and getting the things. And like today morning, I was watching animated video in which they were telling about daily routine, how we have to tell
Yes,
about our daily routine. So we get lots of new things when they tell about daily routine. And we get to know about expressions and how to express our thoughts and how to articulate vocabularies in our day-to-day life. And one more thing is which is very most important, so we get more sentence structures when we watch that videos. And
Yes, got it.
we can also learn how to speak and what pitch should be there when we speak English, when we speak our daily routine. These things I have learned by watching these videos. And generally, basically, I listen that videos and watch that videos while doing my household chores, especially in the morning when I do my household chores, and
Okay, okay,
at evening as well when I go to bed. And
okay.
I do listen, active listening, not passive.
Yes. Yeah, you are doing a good job. Yeah, nowadays, if you, whenever I get free time, I watch the YouTube video in English. At that time, I notice that the cartoon video, which are made for kids, and in the cartoon video, mostly all sentences are made very simple words, simple structure, and that's why also whenever I get free time, I watch the cartoon video.
Yes, do you have more questions?
Yeah, I am asking one question to you. Nowadays, do you like reading books? Because reading book is very important. By reading, you can learn so many new vocabulary. And do you like reading?
Yeah, while watching videos, I keep subtitle on so that I can also read the subtitles and I
Okay,
can
okay,
get their pronunciation, correct pronunciation as well. So while watching video, I am reading the sentence. This is how I am doing.
okay.
I'm not reading any specific book.
Yes, I follow these rules. Yeah, I don't like reading. It is boring to me. And I try to read something, but when I read something, at that time I feel sleepy. Yeah, that's why I don't like reading. But whenever I get free time, I watch the YouTube video in English. At that time, I watch that video with subtitle. And at that time, I read. Yeah. And after watching the whole video, I collect few new vocabulary from those video. And after collecting the new vocabulary, I always try to make new sentence using those vocabulary. In this way also right now I am improving my vocabulary skills. All right, and ma'am, tell me about your state and what is the famous place in your state? Haryana, I know very well. There are so many tourist places over there.
Okay, where I live in Sohna, and in Sohna there is a Sivkul where it is famous for their hot water. It's hot water,
Okay,
and people
and
come from other states and they take bath in that hot water. And it is said that if we take bath in that hot water, so we can cure our skin disease. It is famous
okay,
for
okay.
cure skin disease.
And you are
Name
from
is it is
Haryana, and apart from Haryana, have you ever visited any other state in our country?
Yes, yes, yes. I have been visited Maharashtra, Goa, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana as well, Rajasthan.
Okay.
Many states I have visited so far.
And which is the best place?
If I talk about best place, so I like Goa most.
Goa. In Goa, there is a sea beach which is famous. Yeah, maybe in Goa there is a
Yeah,
sea beach.
there are lots of beaches. It's
Yeah, yeah.
famous for their beach, for
And
beaches.
and in this area, maybe there are most of the foreigners they come over there.
Ah, in Goa, yes, foreigner
Yeah, in
comes
Goa.
over there. Yes,
Yeah, yeah. And one I watched one of the video on the YouTube channel. There is a sea beach, and at that place, few of the women person they were selling something, and they are also speaking English very well.
Yes, yes. When I visited to Jaipur also, I also saw there. So vendor
Hmm.
ladies were speaking English. And they
Okay.
were selling simple items, and they were conversing with foreigners as well in their own language, in English.
Yes.
And even auto driver also speaks English over there.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah. Most of the foreigner.
how they learn, by listening they
Yes.
learn. Because for lots of foreigners come over there, and by listening them, by talking with them, they have learned the language, nothing else.
Yes. You are
Otherwise
right.
they are not educated, they are illiterate person, but they speak English very fluently.
Yeah, this is the environment. Yeah, there is a good English environment. Every single day, many foreigner come over there and they are selling something, and that's why they are talking each other every single day. And after listening and after speaking, they are also learning something.
Yes, yes, definitely. Okay,
Yes, yes.
shall we wrap up the
All right.
session?
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am, for giving your valuable time. Yeah, it was a
Thank
nice conversation with you. Thank you.
Thank you
Take
to
care. Bye
you
bye. Have a
as
good day.
well. Thank you to you
Thank
as
you.
well, because you have also given your valuable time for me. Because I wanted to
Yes, yes.
connect
All
with
right.
someone on video call.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
have a nice day. Bye.